Hi guys, hello everybody, and we try to pick a Eurolock Karlusha. This is Karlusha lock, very nice lock, difficult keyway, and have spools. This lock, nice, and now pin number 3, mushroom, and pin number 4, mushroom 2, and pin number 5, very high, second, first, second, first, second, and just a moment, first, come on, second. So this is not second, third, 4, this is 6, and this is my mistake. Give me a hook, thank you. Nice, and third, and 4, and 6. No, nice, nice, very good, very well. So Karlusha was picked. I'm happy. Have a nice day, everybody. Счастливо. Усім.